The way it's going to work, people running the stage with me will be right over here underneath the shed. Whoever is going to be first will stage their precision rifle and 10 rounds at the ass end of the Saturn. Y'all with me? That's parked right over there. That's a car, GM product. Cool?
Got it.
Whenever you come up over here to stage, Doc Allen will be over there with a belt for you. It's a rigger's belt, Spec Ops. He's gonna put that on you and he's gonna expose the clip so that I can clip you in. Once that's done, you'll move over to the bird once you've got eyes with me and I call you. Cool? When I call you, stay low. Come over there, make sure that you expose this clip to me, wherever it is. If it's right here or whatever, make sure I can put my hand in it and get you clipped in. From there, you'll back up and sit down in the front seat of the bird, okay? When we take off, we'll take off and we'll fly over here. We're gonna be doing a hover about over the 300-yard berm. At the 300-yard berm, I'm gonna hand you the carbine. You close the bolt. Once the bird comes up over here, it will turn sideways and it will be on station. It'll be on station for 12 seconds. During that time, you're gonna put 1 round each on 3 LaRue targets that are over there, okay? They either fall or they don't. They'll be worth 30 points each. If you get all 3 of them, 10-point bonus for a 100-point score. Cool? When you're done, the magazines will only have 3 rounds in them. When you're done, put that weapon on safe and the bolt will lock to the rear. Hand the gun back to me. We'll come over here and we'll land. Stand up, but stay low. I'll unclip you. You will move rapidly over and pick up your precision rifle and your magazines or whatever. You're gonna make a shot out of the door of the car to the Romeo berm on your target. Y'all are familiar with those. With the bolt up, you'll come over, you'll get in the cab of the truck. 2 rounds from that position. Then on the back of the truck, between the truck and the trailer, then you'll get up on top and 2 kneeling, 2 standing. Everything is strong side.
was it, George?
It was awesome.